Roll 100 furnaces. Beauty part is having saved up 5,000 souls. Pretty much everything else in Season 15 is pretty easy to do with the double caches. Um, yeah, it's probably not going to get a primal, but we'll see. I got a bunch of furnaces ready for reroll. Um, this is my furnace right now. It's not bad. Needs damage. Needs condemn, cooldown. I don't know. Bottom line, it's just something to do. There's the rest of my gear. The only like really great thing is uh, this fine primal focus. The rest of this stuff's pretty normal. All right. Well, said I was gonna do it, so let's get a bunch of furnaces here and start re-rolling. This is just in case I get ancients that are pretty good, but I'm not 100% sure. It's probably overkill for the number of furnaces I will get at this point, but let's do this thing. As a reminder, each time you re-roll, you need 5 of each thing, the item, and 50 of each. So let's get going. First ancient, high damage roll, bad elites roll. We'll just move that down. Not going great so far. Just the one ancient. Alright, that's 2 ancients. This one pretty much blows though. I'm gonna move it just so I can keep track. Alright, we're 20% of the way through, so we've rerolled 20 times and just gotten 2 ancients. I do think that's about right. Well, that's 3 ancients. That one's pretty unusable though, because of the socket. It's a good damage roll, but again, the elites roll is kind of shit. Every time you see a socket, you're just thinking, oh man, that's not a good roll. Alright, now we're 40% of the way through. We've had uh, 4 ancients roll so far. And on Q, that's 5. That's not a good damage roll. I don't know why sometimes I'm checking in the box versus in my inventory. I know it's a lot easier to just do it in the box, but I don't really friggin' feel like it. Alright, there's another one. This is a bad roll for an ancient. It's just bad damage, bad proc, everything like that. Now we're halfway through and we found 6. So basically 100 rolls gets you 10, I guess, is what we're on pace for. 10 ancients, and you're hoping one of them is primal. I guess that's not right. To be fair, I haven't found a primal in a while on this character, so I guess I was hoping somehow, even though, you know, it's all independent rules and that kind of stuff. Also, I think I watched a video like this once, and a guy found a primal on like the 3rd roll. So I just wanted to see if that's at all accurate. Right, there's another one. It's a terrible proc and a terrible damage roll. Probably not even keeping that one at the end. Just trying to keep track of, you know, good furnaces versus bad. Man, that's a pretty good roll. If only it was more damage or more. It's probably the best one I've rolled thus far, just in terms of it's got 49 and it's got a lot of damage. I wish it didn't roll the +7 there. I wish it rolled pretty much anything else. Yeah, we're more than 60% of the way through right now. This is a terrible roll. It's just like the worst possible itchy roll you could have. Another, again, that's a terrible fucking itchy roll. It's 42%. And a bad damage roll. At least it's ancient. Sure, I'll get some souls out of this. This is the time when you begin to question, you know, the amount of time you put into this. It's probably like a full day is probably like. Yeah, that's interesting. I'll keep it obviously. But again, like it probably takes probably a good week of grinding to get 5,000. If you just do nothing but this. By that I mean like you need to grind every day. Yeah, the souls are probably the hardest part of the map. You know, like the rest of the stuff, like I said, it's about character. Good track roll for that. Probably the thing about it, I guess, like if you're just trying to get a straight up ancient bonus, you got a 1 in 10 chance of having the right damage against the least rule. And then, you know, with all the different things you can roll, you really only want 1 save them. So probably like a 1 in 100 chance of seeing the kind of thing you want to see on ancient furnace. Again, I'm getting a bunch of good rolls with the normal rolls. Less than 20% to go. So probably just another 10 rolls here, 10 or 12 rolls. I've got 9 or 8 rolls left right now. Last 5. That's actually not a terrible roll, I guess. Actually, that is another couple of the guy my stats here rather than reroll some of these since I think more than anything else, it's really just making me realize I probably have decent furnace. It's not great for damage though. The whole reason you do this is you want to get GR progression. Mine right now is not great for that. Alright, that's it. I think. Yep. Alright, so that's 100 rerolls of a furnace. I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 12. So that's actually a good ratio of ancients to get on a furnace, I suppose. Um, but I really don't think any of them are usable over what I got, just based on one, none of them. This one had a perfect damage roll, but it's a really low elite roll. Like this, of all of them, this is probably the best. And if I re-rolled it to a cooldown, I might consider using that. But you lose 6% against elites, which probably cost you. Um, these are not great. Only 1 or 2 rolled over 4,000 damage. This one was decent. I guess I'd consider this one just to throw the if I can throw the cooldown on it. But even the secondary is a little bit better than what I got. You lose so much toughness, though. I think when you do that. All right, I mean that's 100 rerolls. I swear I watched a video like this and a guy got it on like the 3rd roll. He got a primal. And I'm sure now that I'm done re-rolling, I'll get some primal thing I don't need. But this was my thing. All right, the lesson here: don't re-roll.